Hey guys, this is Edward with Brooklyn Shoe Space here, and I'm going to show you how to insert a shape of your choosing from Procreate into Cricut. Alright, what you want to do is you want to go into Procreate and start drawing your shape. What I made here is just some blob with some highlights. Remember that the more complicated the shape or design is, the more likely a cutting hiccup will occur. So keep that in mind when you're drawing a sketch. Once finished, click the wrench icon and then select JPEG. A new pop-up window will open, so scroll down and select Save to Files. Save it to a folder of your choosing and make sure to give it a title. I titled it Random Shape. Great job, guys. Now we're ready to move on to Cricut. When opening a new document, make sure to have a cutting reference square. Once you have your cutting reference, go to Upload and select Browse Files. Go to the folder you just saved it and find your shape. When inserting a shape, the background must be transparent. Press the Select tool and tap on the white portions, which include the background and highlights. Alright, next hit Apply in the top right corner, then give your shape a name. Once this is done, tap on the selection that states Cut. After this, you can hit Upload. Once in the grid, adjust your dimensions as necessary and adjust the coordinates closer to your cutting reference. When finished with adjustments, tap on both your shape and the square and proceed to click Attach, which is the paperclip icon. A new window will open with a variety of cutting mats. Choose the appropriate one. We are now in the cut preview where there are red lines which indicate the half-inch margins. Your cutting reference, which is the square, indicates at which points your material will be cut. Once your positioning is finalized, you can hit Next. Now we will select the material. Type in leather and look for medium garment leather 1.6 millimeters. Looks like you're ready to load the mat into the machine, so let me show you how to do so. Fit the mat into the correct notches, as shown here. Press the Cricut button to start the cut. All done, now here's the best part, peeling. Great job everyone, don't forget to tag us at Brooklyn Shoe Space.